Hi folks, back with yet another clock in my collection. This is a 1927 tambour-style mantel clock made by the Kienzle clock company out of Germany. I got this clock back in March. It was given to me by a good friend and fellow clock collector, Justin. And this is a clock which might not look like much on the outside, but which I am enormously fond of. And I am enormously fond of it because it has one of the most amazing sounding Westminster chimes I have ever heard. Now, Kienzle clocks have great chimes. Pretty much all Kienzle clocks I've heard have wonderful chimes, and this is an absolutely excellent example. In addition to the sounds, I really like the shape of this clock. It's a nice, different take on the tambour with the rounded sides and sort of wing-like protrusions to the side. So it makes a nice change from the usual, more sort of straight-laced tambour clocks. So anyways, without further ado, I'll let you see and hear this clock in action. Enjoy.